so that the illness seizes him again and makes him far worse in his relapsing there than it had done before. So it has happened to me, and so I remain with the sickness of love from which I am relapsed this way. For I did not guard myself when I had once escaped away, and now I have such illness that I shall never be cured of it, unless the beautiful one through whom I have it shall cure it. Complaining of the care of love, I do not at all wish for healings, and for all the suffering is sweet for me to bear. When I think who it is and whence and of what kind she for whom I die, to whom I have given myself stay, she slew me, I would thank her through and through. A little does jealousy make me feel doubt's snare, for all the world envies a body's gentle blend. And because I cannot be worth so much that I might compare, that she could not choose a lover of greater worth to tend. Yet if I were by her rightly judged in truth's array, just as I love her most, the better I would be loved alway. But however it goes with me, above all I shall love her yet. Then she would do wrong if toward another she drew me in her net. And the amorous speech so fair, and the sweet glance and the gay demeanor without end. If soon mercy does not take her, so am I pressed and set by the ills with which I am tormented by her love's debt, that I fear to die, desiring her body gay and sweet. For far from my eyes and near to my heart it keeps its seat. Thank love above all things, I declare, for he has parted my firm heart and my senses bend from a lady of changing heart, and makes me love her where all goods are without any fault or failing strength. For her worth and her beauties make her so, I swear, saving her honor pleasing, that the most praised men I hear say that in her nothing is lacking, neither less nor great. So I never in any time from her love shall separate.